Welcome to CareerLink.AI. In this video, we explore how AI is transforming creativity, turning imagination into text, audio, and video in seconds. Today's use case, AI for creators. Learn to generate text, audio, and video for your professional and creative needs using tools like ElevenLabs and Google VO3. Why this matters? AI gives you creative autonomy, turning raw ideas into polished work without complex tools or big budgets. It's about instant execution, generating videos, voices, and scripts in moments instead of days. One idea becomes dozens of social clips, keeping you active on every platform effortlessly. With automation handling editing, you stay focused on your vision and your community. From lifelike audio with ElevenLabs to cinematic visuals with VO3, AI empowers creators to make more, faster. Simply describe what you want, and AI brings it to life. This is ElevenLabs. You can go to www.elevenlabs.io and you'll see an interface like this. Here you can create different kinds of voices, including cloning your own. Today I want to create an audio digital copy of myself, kind of like a digital twin of my voice. I'm really curious to see what my AI generated audio version would sound like. On the ElevenLabs screen, you can create a new voice from a text prompt, clone your voice, or explore different famous voice collections. For this demo, I just want my own AI copy, so I'm going to clone my voice. All you need is a microphone, and you can even do this on your phone. I'll record myself speaking naturally for a short time. It doesn't need the full 30 seconds. Around 10 seconds or more is enough to create your voice clone, though longer recordings give better results. Once I've recorded my voice, I remove the background noise and press next. Now it asks me to name the voice, so I'm calling it Young Adult, since that matches me. I confirm everything, and just like that, the cloned voice is ready. Next, I'll generate a sample speech using my cloned voice. I'll slow the pace a little and set to be very close to my natural speaking style, and I will also increase the similarity so it sounds like me, and then click on generate.
Sometimes people underestimate how powerful a simple voice can be. Not just the words, but the tone behind them, the calm in uncertainty, the confidence in doubt.
As you can listen, it sounds really similar to my voice. It's AI, not me. But it's close enough that you can clearly see how well it can replicate you. So that's ElevenLabs for audio. Now, the last tool I want to show you is Google Flow and Google VO. Google VO is available through Gemini for AI video generation, and Google Flow is like a full creative studio built around VO for creating cinematic videos from text prompts. You can search for Google Flow or Google VO and start generating short video clips. Right now, clips are typically short, roughly in the 8 to 20 second range, depending on your settings. But you can stitch multiple scenes together into a complete video. For this example, since we are CareerLink, I wanted Google VO to create a YouTube intro for our brand. I pasted a detailed prompt describing a futuristic, cybernetic style animation with our logo, and in about a minute it generated a stunning animation. Digital, futuristic, with sound built right in. You don't need to learn complex tools like Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro to make these kinds of high-quality animations or explainer videos anymore. You just need to write a descriptive prompt with specific visual details, like the colors, motion style, lighting, and aesthetic you want. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. And that's how you can create an AI clone of your voice with ElevenLabs, and then generate cinematic or animated professional looking videos with Google VO and Google Flow, all without traditional video editing skills. Visit CareerLink.AI to explore a list of powerful AI tools curated to your needs. Dive into our live circles for a deeper AI learning experience where you can deepen your knowledge and skills. And don't forget to check out the Prompt Library, a collection of carefully selected prompt books to guide your learning journey. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering AI today. And subscribe to our channel for more content like these.